In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok with Whop in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your TikTok presence with your Whop account, you've come to the right place. By connecting these two platforms, you'll be able to showcase your TikTok content directly on Whop, making it easier for your audience to find and engage with your videos. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in to your Whop account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Whop website and enter your login credentials. Having access to your account is crucial since that's where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Once you've logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all aspects of your Whop profile. From here, you'll either click on Edit Profile or Store Settings, depending on what you're looking to customize or integrate with your TikTok. This is an important step as these settings contain crucial options for linking your social media profiles. Now let's look for the section specifically dedicated to social links. Within your profile or store settings, you'll find a category often titled Social Links or possibly even TikTok. This is where you'll make the essential connection between your platforms, so it's important to locate this section. Once you've found the section, you'll need to have your TikTok profile URL handy. Head over to your TikTok account and copy your unique profile URL. This is the web address that directly links to your TikTok page. With your profile URL copied, return to the Whop website and go back to the social links or TikTok section you previously navigated to. Paste your TikTok profile URL into the appropriate field. Make sure it's correct and complete, as this information will be used to directly link your viewers and followers from Whop to your TikTok profile. This small step plays a big role in connecting your accounts seamlessly, allowing for cross-platform promotion. Finally, after pasting your TikTok link, don't forget to click the Save button to apply all the changes you've made. This ensures that your profile is updated and ready to showcase your latest TikTok content. Not clicking save might mean that your effort of setting up the link gets overlooked, so double check to confirm your changes are stored. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward process to connect TikTok with Whop. By following these steps, you've made it much easier for your audience to enjoy all the content you share across both platforms. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks. See you next time.